Good morning, everyone. So basically, we build few indicators which are helping us to make 85 to 90% success, either with earnings or with our day-to-day trades with SPX, NDX, Tesla, Nvidia. So in today's session, I'll explain. We'll take some trades in the live session, and also I'll explain the reasons why we are taking trades. Right? When you trade with a proper position size, with a proper plan, with a proper strategy, will make success in trading. We can make 85 to 90% of the time we can make profits. There'll be always some one or two event trades which can go suddenly because of some sudden major news or something. That's why that position size is very important. Don't use more than 3 to 5% of your account size on any position size. In that way, even if we have a loss on one position, if we win 8 or 9 out of other trades out of 10, then you will be successful. But if you try to make all the money in one trade and try to put everything in one trade and suddenly only that trade goes wrong, that will be a problem, right? So that's why don't use more than 5% of, right? If you have a, let us say, $50,000 size, then you can use up to $2,000 on each trade. If you want to buy stocks, you buy worth of 2,000. If you want to buy some option contracts, buy something worth of 2,000. If you want to trade some bull puts, bear calls, you do something with a risk of $2,000 like that. So your maximum risk should be 3 to 5% of your account size for any given trade. In that way, you will be profitable at end of the day or end of the week. You can keep making nice profits. So we are right. Mainly we look into, and also one more thing you need to remember is there are two ways to make money. One is you can use your own money to trade. Second is you don't need to have your own accounts. You can use some trader weight or something. Sorry, you have some prop firms where you don't need to risk your own money. You can use the same indicators, same strategies, and using the strategies, you can make money without risking your own money. That is one more way. Especially there are many prop firms in the futures domain, futures industry, right? The futures, don't get confused. Just like stocks, right? Just like we have stocks like Tesla, Apple, Nvidia. In the same way, we have futures like gold. GC stands for gold. NQ stands for Nasdaq. Just like in stocks, we have QQQ, TQQ. Nasdaq is equivalent futures commodity, futures index, US index. Then it is ES is like just like your SPY SPX ES. So at the same, just like you buy the stocks, you can, if you see that ES is at a bottom, right? You see that there are a lot of buyers buying it. Then we can buy ES. When it goes up, you take profits. And another major advantage with prop firms is you can scale up as much as you want, right? You can have 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 50 accounts. When you can multiply, even though you make $200, you copy it in 10 accounts, that will become a $2,000 profit within few minutes. That is the advantage of prop firms. So today, in the next 1.5 hours, I'll explain both the ways, right? How we can make money with stocks, with options, with futures, how we can do it in personal accounts, how we can do it in prop firms, right? The price action is common across all the different instruments, whether you are in India, you are in US, whether you are in UK, Canada, Qatar, Dubai, wherever you are, whatever instruments you want to trade, you can trade them, right? So it is not specific to US stocks or futures like that. You can do whichever you want, wherever you want. So first thing is generally first at 15-20 minutes, market will be very volatile, right? Whenever, so generally US market opens at 8:30 central. So we need to give first 15-20 minutes for market to settle down, and then we can take the trades. So I'm just giving some time, and then we can enter. So especially, right, you don't even need to look at hundreds of tickers every day. There is one of the most important ticker called SPX, which is the S&P 500 index. That means it is tracking the performance of 500 companies, US top 500 companies. So even if we just look at this particular ticker, every day we can make few $100s. right? If we follow the strategy. So, for example, right, let us say you have a huge buyers here. So if price comes somewhere close to this, and you see that if this comes all the way to the bottom, then it can go all the way up again, right? So if I, when price comes here, if I buy calls, or I can go a little bit below and I do a bull puts, I see 25 million, 51 million, 80 million. So if I go and do a bull put somewhere here, or even if I don't want to take any risk, I can go and do a bull put here. My risk is minimum. That means I am telling that price will stay above this, and I am collecting a premium. Right? Just like an insurance company collects premium, telling you that okay, whatever happens to your car, we'll take care of it. If nothing happens, insurance company will keep all the money. If something happens, so 1 out of 100 may have an accident, but all the other 99 members are paying, right, giving the free premium to the insurance company. In the same way, here we know that there are a lot of buyers here. There are millions of buyers sitting waiting for price to come down. So if I go and do a bull put here and collect some $200, $100 premium, 95% of the time we will make money, because price may touch here, go up, or price may come here, go up, or price may come here, go up, or price may come here, go. So there are, every order block is like a major support. This is a major support. This is a major support. This is a support. So price, it's, the chances are very, very less unless there is another some sudden major war news or sudden COVID news or something type of. Otherwise, generally stock will stay above it. So that's why that position sizing is important, because suddenly if Trump announces some new tariffs on some country, then it may break all the supports. But what is the chance of that happening is only 5%. So we need to wait for that price, right? If price comes here, right, all this time it is right. Once market opened, we got a sell, strong sell. Then there is another indicator called T3 indicator that also gave a sell. Both gave sell. This also T5 also gave a sell. I got T55 also gave a sell. T3 also gave a sell. All the three indicators gave a sell at same time. The lines turned red. So that means there is a perfect confluence, right? Every indicator is like your friend, right? If you want to buy a house, you will check some with some of your friends. Or if you want to buy a car, you will check with some of your friends. If all friends are telling that, oh, go for Tesla, right? You can save on fuel, you can get 0% APR, you can get right. You don't need to drive, you can put it in auto. Like that, if all of them are telling the same thing, you may go and buy the Tesla. Or if all of them are telling, no, no, don't go for Tesla. You're right. Every time you have to do charging, it will waste a lot of time. Like that, then you may not do it. In the same way, treat each indicator as a friend. So this is a T5 indicator. If you have a red dot, that means it is a sell signal. If you have a green dot, it is a buy signal. Here you have T55. If it gives a strong sell, that means it can go down. If it gives a strong buy, it can go up. Then I have T3 indicator. If it gives a sell, it will go down. So at same time, if you get it, or within one candle difference, you get all the three at same time, that's a very good opportunity. So we always need to don't depend on one indicator or one logic. If three, four different softwares are telling you price will go up, or if three, four softwares are telling at the same time price will go down, each software works with a different logic, right? They have a different set of instructions, set of filters, set of logic, and if each of them are giving that price will go down, right, from here to here. I know generally because I don't take in the first 15-20 minutes, but if we'd have taken it, this would have made 100% gains within few minutes with SPY, QQQ puts, SPX puts, or with the SPX bear call spread. But generally, first 10-15 minutes, sometimes it can be very right. Suddenly the candles can go down, go up. There will be a lot of volatility. That's why generally we avoid first 15-20 minutes. But if we would have entered, that would have made huge profits. Now we are waiting for price to come somewhere here, right? That is where there are a lot of big companies like JP Morgan, Bank of America, BlackRock, all these big companies, right? You keep all the money in the bank. They will use all that money. They will pay you 0.1%, 0.2% per annum. They will make 10%, 5% every day. And whenever price comes here, they kept their limit orders here. They want to buy the stocks or buy the SPX contracts here. So if big companies are buying, and big companies make 90-95% of the time, they make profits. Whereas retail traders lose 90% of the time, 95% of the time, because we trade with emotions. We don't trade with a logic, we don't trade with a system plan. We just trade based on our emotions or based on some TikTok video. If someone says that, right, Nvidia will go to $200, you will buy it. We don't see where it is, whether it is a proper support, proper resistance. Just someone will say that, right? One of your friends or one of your colleague will say, "Oh, he bought Nvidia, he made a lot of profit." Then you will just go and buy it, right? It might be already at a top resistance where big companies are selling. As soon as you buy it, then price will start dropping, right? Again, you will wait. You won't immediately take a stop loss, right? Most of us as retail traders, we will wait. When it comes all the way to the bottom, we'll take a stop loss. So that is the reason 90% of the time retail traders make losses, because we don't have a proper strategy, right? You before even entering, you need to know that, okay, if these conditions satisfy, I'll enter a trade. If these conditions satisfy, I'll enter a long position. If these conditions satisfy, I'll enter a short position. So if you have certain rules and if you just follow the rules and take the trades, 90-95% of the time we'll make money, right? And we can make huge money. It is not like some $5, $10. You can make huge money compared to any IT job, right? Job market is getting more and more tougher. So it is very important for you all to learn a new skill which you can work from home. You can work from any country. Even though you go to India, you can trade SPX, you can trade futures, you can trade in prop firms, right? 90 plus countries, you can trade, the prop firms, right? Including India. So it is very important for each of us to learn the skill and wait, right? So learning is very easy, right? It's all about, if you see a lot of reds, that is shorting. You see a lot of buy signals from multiple indicators, you have to go and buy. So learning, it all takes 30 minutes for you to understand how to use the indicators. But waiting, right? For example, now you may see that, oh, it came all the way down. Now there is a green candle. Suddenly our emotions kick in, our greed kick in, and then we'll buy it, right? Still, there is some nice gap here. Still, there is no confirmation that it can go all the way up, right? If it comes here, that is a perfect confirmation. So we need to wait for a perfect confirmation to go and enter a long position. Just don't look at that, oh, all red candles, I got a green candle, let me go and buy it. Immediately you buy it, again it may drop here. Right? We need to wait for these lines to turn to green. As of now, still all these lines are red. Right? When the price breaks those candles, right, those lines, if those lines start becoming green, that is where we can go and enter the long positions. So that emotional, controlling the emotions, controlling the greed, controlling the fear, that is the most important skill in trading. So first thing is you need to understand how to use the indicators. You need to have a proper plan that, okay, if I get sell from these two, three indicators at same time, I'll go ahead and take a short position. I know I'm already close to a premium, right? A premium zone. That means already price went so much up in the morning. So you know that you are close to premium zone. You got all sell signals. You see that big companies are selling, right? You can see that there is nearly 470 or 172 million sell order block here. Big companies are selling. You got a sell signal. It went all the way down 30-40 points on SPX. Now, if either it may do a double bottom here, right? It may one more time it may come here, touch it, and then start going up. So once this becomes green, this becomes green, this becomes green, then we can enter and go a bull put somewhere below this. Because even if price comes here, there are a lot of buyers waiting here to push the price up. As long as price stays above this, we will make huge gains, right? All the money you may collect 200, $150 for every contract. If you buy three, four contracts, that is $600 in next 1, 2 hours. So that's how, even by just watching one ticker, right? Generally, if SPX goes up, there is another index called Nasdaq index, NDX. That will also move in the same direction, same trend. So you can see that NDX also dropped so much, right? NDX also now starting to reverse. So you can see it was in a, it went all the way to the top, started dropping, came all the way down. Now within next 5, 10 minutes, it will start going up. So right, it came all the way down. So if it may directly go up or it may come, do a double bottom or touch this, grab this liquidity, right? This orders are like food for the price. It will try to come, eat this food and then go up. Or sometimes there might be some hidden orders, or there might be some lot of traders without putting a stop loss. Big companies, they might be doing a market orders. Then directly price also can start going up here. So in next to 5, 10 minutes, once we get a, right, if we get a buy signal here, right, if we get a buy dot here, then we can go ahead and do a nice bull put spread below this, right? I can sell 21,840. I can buy 21,820 or something. So as long as price stays, all that money is 100% yours. So we are just waiting for two, right? One is we are waiting for the dot. Whenever the dot appears, we can go do SPX bull puts, SPY bull puts, QQQ bull puts, Nasdaq NDX bull puts, EQQ bull puts. If someone has a high risk profile, right, they want to make more profits without, right, even though they are okay to take more risk, they can also buy the calls, right? You can buy, let us say, SPY, right? And NDX and QQQ are same, right? So NDX is like 10 times of QQQ. If you make $1 with QQQ, you can make $10 with NDX. So for example, if someone is a high risk, right, he want to make 200, 200%, he can go ahead and buy 535 call whenever we see the dot. Or somebody can do, they can go to SPY, they can buy a 609 call, right? Price came all the way down, now started bouncing up. Whenever we see that, so you can see here, price started dropping. Now the lines are getting closer. Once we get a buy signal, right, that green dot, just like this, then price will again go up, huge. So now we are waiting whether directly it will go up or it may do it bottom, right? Double bottom. What do you mean by double bottom? Going up, coming here, and then again it may come here, touch this support one more time, right? This is the bottom, right? The first time it touches the bottom. If it comes here, touch the bottom one more time, that is called as a double bottom. Or some generally NQES, SPX, what they do is at the premium they do a double top. That means they touch the top, come little bit down, again touch the top, and then go down. So now we are waiting to see whether price will do a double bottom or can directly go up. So now be ready to take the trade. So right now the price is going up. Right here it touched it. Without touching it, it is going up. So now let's go to SPX. Right, SPX is low risk compared to NDX. We can make huge profits. So let me go and see what is the. So if we go and do something below this, our risk is very, very minimal. Let's just wait for one more candle, and then we can sell 60-70 put and buy 60-60 put. Then if it stays above the 60-70, all that money is 100% yours, right? Whatever you make in 2 weeks in IT job, you can make that even if you have a 30K, 50K account with 5, 10 contracts, you can make that in one day. But just we need to wait for the confirmation. And if you have patience, you can make a lot of money in trading. And at the same time, right, if SPX is moving up, then your ES also will move up at the same time. So at the same time, you can make money with options. At the same time, you can see that ES is also going up. So I can go to my prop firms, which will allow me to trade futures. I can go and take a long position here. So you will make money with the SPX options, SPY options, QQQ bull puts, SPY bull puts, QQQ, TQQ, or SPY calls, QQQ calls. At the same time, I can go take a long position on ES. I can take a long position on NQ. I can also do futures on options on futures. I can do a bull put spread on ES. I can do a bull put spread on NQ. So if price stays here, you are just watching one chart. You can make money in 10 different ways, right? One is without using your money, you can make money, or using your own money, you can make money. It is up to you whether you want to take risk with your own money or you don't want to use your own money. Also, still we can make money. So we are just waiting for the dot. Whenever the dot appears, as I told you, there are 10 different ways. One is I can take long position on ES. I can take long position on NQ in personal and prop firms. Second thing, I can do options. I can do a bull put on ES. I can do a bull put on NQ. I can also do a bull put on YM because all of them move in the same direction. If I go to YM, you can see that YM also came all the way down. Now trying to go up. It may do a double bottom and again it will go up. So YM also will go up in a few minutes. So on all the three I can do. I can go long, right? Just like I buy a stock, I can buy these ones, right? I buy low, and then when it goes somewhere 20 points up, that is nearly 500, $600 up, then I can take profit. So especially if you have 150K account, your risk is minimal, right? Because you will have a bigger stop loss. You can hold the trade for longer time. You can make $500, $600 in each account. If you have 10 accounts, that is $6,000. If you have 20 accounts, that is $10,000. Right? So your first way, long on ES, long on NQ. Second way, bull puts on ES, bull puts on NQ. Third way, bull puts on SPX, bull puts on NDX. Fourth way, bull put on QQQ, bull put on SPY, bull put on TQQ. And then fifth way, generally when SPX starts moving up, most of your stocks like Google will start moving up. Microsoft will start moving up. Nvidia will start moving up. So at the same time, you can also buy calls. You can also do bull puts with so many different stocks. Right? All we are doing is just watching one ticker. But you can make money in so many different ways. All I am doing is just waiting for that dot. Whenever I get the dot, I'll go ahead and take all those different rates. Right? Because still it did not do a double bottom. And still I don't see a dot here. I am waiting with patience. Right, still we are waiting because still we don't see the dot. Still we see these lines red. Right, buyers are trying to move up, but still you don't see right here. You can see the candle. Right, there is a big wick at the top, big wick at the bottom. That means buyers. Right, these two candles are nice bullish candles, but this candle is where buyers tried to go up, sellers took it all the way down. Again, buyers are trying to go up. So that means there is a lot of tough competition between buyers and sellers here. So that's why we need to wait for a proper, right? Still your table is telling that oh, it is still bearish. Your volume is still 1 minute is red, 1 hour is red, 4 hours is red. This line is still red. These lines are still red. So we need to just to wait for the right. Especially when you're trading in prop firms, all you need is $200, 300 per day. You can copy into 10, 20 accounts. So you don't need a huge profit. So that's why you wait for a perfect setup and then take a trade. Then you'll will easily make profits. So now I got my first buy, right? One I told you every indicator is like your friend. So your first one of your friend is telling that okay, now price will go up, right? I want minimum three friends to tell me that price will go up. As of now, only one of them is telling it, right? Wait for two more people to tell you. Then if you take it, your risk is very minimal. So Costco also I got a buy. All this time it went all the way down. Now I got a buy for Costco. So if I see that there are a lot of big companies are buying here, right? I got a buy and I see a lot of big companies are buying. That means these big companies will try to push the price up because they spend thousands of dollars or millions of dollars on buying Costco stock here. So because I see a buy here, I see big companies are buying here. I see 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour is looking bullish volume. I see that there is a buy signal here. There is a lot of confidence now. So if I go and do a bull put spread below this, my risk is minimal, right? So let us go and do a Costco bull put spread. So I'm going and selling 1040 and buying 1035. So I, I sold 1040 put and then I am buying 1035 put for Costco. And you are collecting around $180. I'm posting the alert in the channel. So I am also posting it on US equities. So if anybody want, right, I am selling 1040 put and buying 1035. That means what I am telling is, right, if somebody is a high risk, they can also buy the calls. They can buy 1040 call. If I am a low risk trader, I want to go with big quantity, I can do a bull put spread. So my because there are a lot of big companies are buying here, and I got confirmation from two, three indicators. What I'm telling is, I'm I have high confidence that price will stay up, right? Price may go all the way to 1000. So if price stays above this 1040, all that money, your $180 for every contract, 100% that is yours. You can keep all that money for yourself. So if it goes up, you'll make full money. If it stays at choppy, you'll make money. If it goes little bit down also, you'll make money. So your risk is minimal, right? Your indicator is telling big companies are buying. This one is telling. So you have multiple indicators giving you the same confirmation, right? This line became green, right? Your T5 gave a buy signal. Here T5 gave a buy signal. E3 gave a buy signal. Price pulse is telling you that there are a lot of big companies. So now all your right, your T5 is a friend, E3 is your friend, price pulse is your friend. All the three are telling you the same thing, that price will go up. Right? So I went and got it. Like that, you will have hundreds of opportunities every day. Right? Let us go and check for Monday. Okay, Monday you got T3 buy. So what do you see here? 379,000.8K. Right? That many buyers are buying. So do you think that is a good opportunity? Do you think if we do bull put spreads, I enable the chat. If we do bull put spreads here, do you think we can easily, right? If I do bull put spread somewhere here, right? I am already at a discount zone. That means price came all the way to the discount, right? So big companies want to buy at a discount. They see that, right? This stock was trading around $320 yesterday. Now the same, because of a drop in SPX, the same stock came to 296, 297. So big companies went ahead and bought it in a big quantity. So if we go and do a bull put, 95% we can keep profits, right? Or you can also buy a stock, right? If you are a stocks trader, you can buy Costco stock, you can buy Monday stock, right? Because these companies will allow, right? Generally don't allow price to drop. They'll put another $1 million, another $10 million to push the price all the way somewhere here, 310, $312. So now let me or right, let us just wait for one nice bullish candle. So let's go and see Costco. Costco is nicely moving up, right? So if you see already, right, with 100 contracts, I made nearly $1,200 with Costco. In few minutes, that will make nearly $3,000, 4,000. Right? All we are doing is waiting for a proper, right? Your friend one, friend two, friend three, everybody told price will go up. You saw that big companies are buying. That's it. All you need is that confirmation. SPX also should start moving. So again, if I have a big buy order block, I would have went ahead. But I don't have, right? Maybe if I see the same buy somewhere here, I will have full confidence, right? Because here it went up, but there is no major buy order block here. But if it comes here and then starts moving up, then we are full confident, right? Because big companies have their orders. That is what is our uh, right. That will give us full confidence. If big companies are buying, our success rate will be much more high. So that's why we did not enter SPX bull puts, because Costco, we saw that big companies are buying. We went ahead and bought the Costco bull puts or Costco calls. So no, yeah, SPX, as I said, it may do a double bottom. Come here, touch this, and then grab this liquidity and go all the way up. Right? Still, your momentum is still bearish. Your volume is still bearish. So that's why it's you better you wait for SPX or SPXL. Give some more time. before we can enter the bull put spreads or calls. Let's go to Monday. We can set the alerts, and whenever we receive an alert, we can go and check for this type of condition. Right? Okay, is T3 giving a buy? Is T5 giving a buy? Is my price pulse giving me a confirmation? And then, so most probably this will also move nicely. Just I'm waiting for one more candle because there are very huge buy order block. Our risk is minimal. Yeah, it came all the way to the discount zone. Came to the bottom, started moving up. There are a lot of buyers here. There is a high chance for it to go all the way to 310 $310. So let me go to monday.com. I'm going to March 21st. I'm for March 21st, I'm selling 300 put, buying 290 put, and collecting $410. So what I'm telling is that stock will stay above 300. If it goes all the way up, you don't even need to wait until last minute, right? Once you make some 30-40% gains today itself, we can buy back at a lower price. I'm collecting around $410 now because big companies are buying. My three friends are telling me it is a good buy, right? Good to buy because it all dropped so much and it started moving up. So I'm buying it. So like that, there are so many opportunities. So whichever think it is a good stock, you can go click there and see, right? For example, HD. Now you have to tell me, do you think it is a good one to buy or not? Right? HD, we got a buy. For Monday, we took 321. Yeah, for HD, because we have a sell block here, right? We have buyers here. It started moving up, but immediately we have some sellers here. If it breaks that, then maybe it can go much further high. But as of now, better to avoid it because we see some big sellers are waiting here. Like that, that's it, right? It all takes few seconds to realize, okay, I got buy. This is green. This is discount zone. There are buyers. This is green, but there are sellers here. So price may go up, come down, go up, come down. So it may be very choppy. So you avoid, right? There are thousands of stocks. There are thousands of notifications. You can go to the next notification, right? Let us go to FANG. So here, right? This one you got a sell. Here, this one you got a sell. You got a sell. But immediately there are buyers here, right? Maybe it may, so not a very good opportunity. If there are no buyers here, right? Still it may go further down because there are not many buyers here. It can go all the way to 158.52. Everything is looking bearish, bearish. So there is a high potential for a drop. But yeah, if we don't want to even avoid that risk, we can avoid. We can look for something else. Yeah, MACD is also okay, but there are no major buyers here. So better we avoid it. If you see big companies buying, then we can also buy. Here it came all the way to the discount zone, started moving up, and then there are some sellers here, some sellers here. So there is a high possibility to go all the way up. But because we don't have a confluence of price pulse, your T3 gave it, your T5 gave it, buy, but your price pulse is not showing that there are some big buyers are buying it. So that's why we can just avoid it. Let's go back to our SPX and see what is happening with SPX. And again, SPX is dropping again. Yet we never got that green dot. So don't assume that oh because it came to the bottom it will go up. Right? It just went up. Still this line was red. And then it may come all the way down, touch this, and then start moving up. So if I want I can go to ES and take a shot. So I took a shot on ES because there is a high possibility for it to come all the way to the bottom. It will do a double bottom, or it may even go all the way to the buy order block. So this is my first target. This is my second target. If it breaks further down, right here, I have a sell signal, right? A red dot means sell signal. Then I have, right? Everything is sell here. Everything is sell here. I got a T3 sell. There is a high possibility for me to make $200-300. And I'm copying it into 10 different accounts. So that is a $2,000. So you can put your limit order so you don't need to keep watching it. Whenever price comes there, automatically it will close the. I copied the train to 10 different accounts. My $2,000 for the day are done. Right? You got a T3 cell, you got a strong cell, you got a cell, everything is red, everything is red. Let's say you got your confidence from all, right? We went ahead and we took the cell signal, and you are done. I said mostly it may come all the way, either touch this and go up or touch this and bounce back. We are waiting for SPX to do a reversal. So if I have 4 or 5 pro accounts from Take Profit Trader, the $200 into 5 pro accounts is $1,000, right? I spent it less than 30 minutes. I just waited for a conference. I got the conference, I took the trade. So for to work entire hour, you may make 600, $700 for entire day. You spent 15, 30 minutes, you made your $1,000 for the day, right? Just with one. Now again, once it starts going up, once I get a proper buy from all, right, three of my friends. So every indicator is like your friend, right? Sell one, sell two, sell three. You quickly make 100, 150. Take the profits. Don't wait, right? Don't think that, oh, it may go all the way here. I can make huge. Just take small profits, right? When you do prop firms, you just take small profit and come out because it may also just do a double bottom here, right? This is the bottom price. Went up, came down. You also just do a double bottom and start moving up. Once SPX starts moving up, then all your Microsoft, Meta, Google, Nvidia, everything will start moving up. So we need to wait for confirmation on SPX before we can go long on all those. Right, in few minutes we can make nice profits with SPX and DX bull puts and SPY QQQ bull puts. And also this whatever I took Monday and Costco, they will also make huge profits. Right, just once SPX starts bouncing back, all the stocks will bounce back. And it did a double bottom, right? The discount zone is like a support. It retested the support. Buyers are trying to bounce back again, right? So you can see here, initially it came to the discount, went up. Again, sellers push the price down. Again, buyers are trying to go up. That means this time they may, right? Earlier they faced a tough competition from sellers. Now buyers are trying to go up again. Then sellers will think that okay, right? All this last 1 hour, sellers were taking the control. Then they will give up the control. They will let buyers take the control now. So just we are waiting for that green dot and buy signal. Once we get, then we can enter SPX bull puts, NDX bull puts, QQQ bull puts, EQQ, SPY bull puts, or we can even enter calls. At the same time, we can go on ES long, NQ long. We can make nice profits. Right, our minimum target is 61.29 on ES. It can go minimum until that 61.29. If it breaks 61.29, it can go all the way till 61.44. Let's go to SPX. So on SPX, our target is 6111, 6111. It can go all the way till that point. Once we get a dot, so still, right, all this time since 8:30, sellers took the control. They brought it all the way down. Now we are at a overbought area, right? We are where there is a high possibility for buyers to take the control. So we are just waiting for that buyers to take the control. Then we can confidently go ahead and do nice bull put spreads on SPX and DX, where your risk is minimal. And all you need is that patience. Once you have that patience, it can make you huge money every day. Right? You don't need to worry about office politics. Right? You will work so hard and somebody else will get all the promotions, all the appraisals. You don't need to worry about the visa issues. You don't need to worry about commuting every day for hours together to your office and other things. You can sit at your home, sit on a couch, sit on a sofa, and you can do this. All you need is taking time to learn, understand, and then implement the strategies. That's it. Just we are waiting for the confirmation for the green dot. Yeah, buyers are trying hard. Right. So buyers took it all the way up. Then again, sellers are trying to bring it down. Again, buyers are trying to go up. So it is like a fight between buyers and sellers going on. But all this time, right, buyers already got exhausted. Last 1 hour, they are so active, right? If you see red line, that means sellers are active. Last 1 hour, they are doing lot of activity. So now they will be tired. Now buyers will take the control and buyers, right? Sellers will take rest now. Then buyers will take, they will start moving, taking it all the way up. Then buyers will get tired. Then sellers will take the control. So that's it. So we need to wait for that. And then if you take the trades, we'll make money. If you don't trade without understanding why you are entering a trade, that is where you will get panic. You will take whenever there is a good opportunity, you will take stop loss. Whenever there is a bad opportunity, you will hold for longer time. If you don't know what you are doing. So next few minutes, we should get a dot and it should go all the way till this 6111. Same thing if you see MDX. MDX should go all the way till this 22045. Same story here also. Yeah, sellers took the control. Buyers tried to take the control, tried to go up, but immediately sellers came back. Right? We know because here there are not many buy orders. So that's why the the buying is weak here. Still the lines, everything is red. That's why we did not go long at that point of time because we did not see any major buy orders. Either you need to wait for a double bottom or there should be a big buy order block. Then we can confidently go ahead. So now there is a double bottom. So there is a high possibility for it to break and go all the way up. So now what we can do is NDX, you can go below this. Mm, 21, 825. So I'm going and doing the 27, 840, selling 8, 825 and buying. Uh, yeah, for low risk, we can sell 820 and buy 800. So I'm selling 820 put for NDX and buying 800 put. So yeah, basically I'm posting the alert, sell 21,820, put and buy 21,800 put and collect $250 for 220. So sell NDX. Now what we are doing is we are going little bit below where there are a lot of buyers and we are selling this put. So we are telling that price will stay above this by end of the day. If price stays above this, all that money is 100% yours. Nearly $2,000 for each contract. So there is a high possibility for the price because it came all the way down. The buyers are taking control. So there is very high possibility for price to go up. And as it goes up, your profits will increase. If it goes more and more up, you can keep all 100% of the premium. So the chances for price to come all the way down is very, very minimal. We can also go to SPX, do the same thing. Right now we got a buy signal. Price went above these two. Right, we can go somewhere. We can just wait one more candle. Once it breaks this, price pulse also becomes blue. We can take buyers taking full control. Your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, the volume is becoming green. Right? That means there are more buy orders than the sell orders. Your momentum is becoming green. So you have big buyers here. So if I go and do a bull put below this, your risk is minimal. Right? Because even if price comes one more time here and then goes up, by end of the day, it can stay above this. But if we want, we can just wait for one more candle and take it. Then it will go all the way to the 611. You can see there are more buyers now. You see green box, right? There is a nice green candle. It is like an engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, which engulfing the previous candles. And you got a buy signal here. And then there are more buyers here. So if price breaks this, right, this will act as a resistance. If it breaks it, then this is our next target. If it breaks this, this is our next target. If this breaks it, this is our next target. If that price also breaks, this is our next target. If that also breaks, this is next target. If all those breaks, it will go all the way to 6147. So just we are waiting for if this breaks, then it is 100% confirmation for SPX. Mostly it will break, but just will give another candle. And once it breaks, otherwise it may do one more time, it may do a triple bottom and then again go up. Okay, there is very high possibility this itself will go up. So we have total five friends, right? Price pulse, T55, reversal, T3, T5. So out of five friends, the reversal indicator mentioned that it can start going up, right? Reversal buy. But all the other indicators did not give it, so we are still waiting. Right? Minimum you want three of them to tell you it will go up. As of now, only this one gave you an indication it will go up. So we are waiting. Either it may come touch this one more time, or come here, go up, or it may just go up from here. So we are waiting for another. So out of five, right? You have total five friends. You need majority opinion. Minimum three of them should give you to go ahead and do buy. If five out of five gives you, that is the best opportunity. You can go with a nice big size. If four of them give you, that is the second best opportunity. If three of them give you, that is the minimum. Right? If you just only one of them will give it or two of them will give it, you have to ignore it. So let's say trying to take the control, but don't take any shots because now already it made a double bottom. There is a high possibility for a sudden bounce. The first time if it coming down, going up and starting dropping, we can take it because generally 70-80% of the time NQES they will do a double bottom and then go up. But already it completed double bottom and again sellers trying to take control. Buyers may take control again and go up. So we should not you don't take a sell because already here you have a buy. Here you are at a discount zone. Again buyers are trying to fight against the sellers. Right? Buyers try to go up. Then you had a line here. It acted as a resistance, brought it down. But again, buyers are trying to, right? Because there are some sell orders here in the red box. That's why when first time it went, the sell orders push the price down. But when the sell orders are over, then again if buyers try to go up, those sell orders are not there anymore. Then this time price can break this and go all the way here. Again, there will be a small drop here because there are some sell orders sitting here. When price goes here, again there will be a small drop and again buyers will take right take some more strength. This time they will break the this one go all the way up here. So like that each one is like your so this is first box or first resistance. So price try to go there because sell orders are there. Those sell orders push the price down. Now buyers are taking it up. Most probably the sell orders will be over here. And then if there are more buyers, then it will push this sell orders, right? If there are 1,000 orders and if there are only 500 sell orders, buy if 1,000 buy orders, 500 sell orders, then buyers can go past this stage. So mostly that will happen this time, right? This candle will break this resistance, go here, and then again there will be a small drop. But once it breaks it, if I take a bull put spread here, your risk is minimal because already price is trying to go up. The chance for price to come all the way down is very, very minimal. But we are just to not take any risk. We are waiting for a proper confirmation, right? Once this price pulse line becomes blue, that is your perfect confirmation. As of now, we got only buy from here, buy from here. We are waiting, right? These lines are still red. These lines, if those lines become green, and then if the volume also becomes green, then we can confidently go and enter the long position. Now we got a T3 buy. So this is a reversal buy. Then we got a T3 buy. So now you can slowly see the gap is forming between both the lines. Until this time, there was these lines are very close. That means at any point of time, buyers or sellers can take the control. If the line there is more gap, that means buyers are taking full control. So that's why we need to wait for some nice gap before we take the position. So yeah, this time it will go break this and go till here. Now if I want, I can go to ES. I can go and buy a long position. This is right. My first target is this one. So I went ahead and took a long position on ES. Again, remember that the same it is going into multiple prop accounts. So even if I make $100, that is a $500, $1,000 profit. So I bought it 6112.50. I'm selling it 6115.50. That is nearly 3 points is $150. When you multiply 150 into 10 accounts, that is $1,500 without risking your own money. If you lose, you may lose $25, $30 for the account. But if you make, you can make thousands of dollars every day. I made another $150. Right now, your T5 became green. This became purple. This became green. Right? You got a strong buy. You got a T3 buy. Your volume is becoming 1, 5, 15. 1 hour is becoming green. So now, as I told you, this will break this. It will go all the way till here. So now we can go ahead. Now your price pulse is becoming blue. Right? So now we can go ahead and do a SPX. SPX. Let's wait for it to go and break the. Mhm. So again, still there are some more sell orders. If the sell orders are over, then price will go above it. If there are still sell orders, some sell orders are here, then price will come little bit down. Again, if buyers push it, if more buyers come, then all the sell orders will be over. Then it will go to the next block. Again, if there are a lot of sell orders, price will drop. If buyers push it, then it will break this, go to the next level. So yeah, just we are so that's why right we took profits when it started going up. We took the profits on. Yes. Again, it will go up. Just we need to wait so that you we can make more profits. If you wait for proper confirmation, we can make more gains with our bull puts or with our calls. This reversal buy will give the first right. We don't want to wait for a lot of filters. It will give you whenever price drops so much and starts moving up, then it will give right. This is like your first alert saying that our price can go up. Then T3 is like your second alert. Then if you get a strong buy from T55, that is the best one, right? That is where it checks for T5, it checks for price pulse, and then it says that okay, now you can go ahead. So we are waiting for that T55 strong buy. T55 gives a strong buy, then that is the best opportunity. That means you have much higher chance of success. So you can always go here and set alerts on T55, right? You go to T55 and you can set that strong buy, strong sell. So mainly we are looking to buy something below this 60. We can do 60. We can sell 60, 90, 60, 80. But yeah, once this becomes blue, then that is our opportunity to go and buy this bull put spread. Price, even if it comes here, it will again go up. So as long as price stays above this, we can keep all the premiums. We have a lot of buyers here. So Monday will go all the way minimum 308. We'll go to 308 in some time. The first thing is, yeah, if SPX moves, then everything else will move. We're waiting for SPX confirmation. So if you buy calls and if stock stays, right, if the instrument stays choppy like this, you will lose all your premiums, right, because of theta decay. On same day 0 DTE, your call premiums, your theta decay will be very, very high. But if you are a seller, if I am doing a bull put, I am a seller, right? Mainly I am a seller, even though I am buying a call. So your theta decay will help you. If it is more and more choppy, if we do a bull put spread, the theta decay will help you to make more and more profits. Even if price stays at the exact same price entire day, you can keep all 100% of the premiums for yourself. So that is the advantage with bull puts, bear calls. For calls and puts, you need to have a proper uptrend or downtrend for you to make money. But stock sometimes can also stay choppy. Buyers are trying to take it up, sellers are bringing it down. Right? You can see since last 1 hour, these buyers are trying to take it up at the discount. Right? Sellers brought it down. Buyers tried to take it up. Again, sellers are bringing it down. Buyers taking it up. Again, sellers are bringing it down. So nearly 1 hour, price is just staying in 1 2 points. So your bear call spreads will give you advantage over buying a naked call or naked put here. So that's why you're right. Your risk is minimal when we do bull put spreads. When you see a proper confirmation, if there is a proper trend, then we can go ahead with the bear calls. Sorry, with the naked calls or naked puts. When it is looking choppy, when the trend strength is looking weak, then if you do bull put spreads, you will make more profits. Or bull puts or bear calls. So if you are in the premium channel, I did a 1 hour video explaining why we can make 90% success with bull puts, bear calls. And once you watch it, every day you can make 90% of your trades successful. Again, buyers are trying to go up, sellers are trying to bring it down to the discount. Again, buyers are trying to bounce back. So again, if there are more buy orders than the sell orders, it should break the resistance, go till the next point. If there are more buyers than this, then it will go all the way to the top. So yeah, we are waiting with patience for that first resistance, right? Because there is the major, right? The price pulse is our main indicator. Once that turns blue, then that is full confirmation for us to go long. Because we are at a bottom, we don't want to take shots now because it already came to the bottom. We are only focusing on a long position, right? It is oversold area. When it is overbought, we have to look only for the shorts. When it is oversold, we have to mainly look for the long positions. So whenever you get a green again, we can go long on ES. Buyers are going to push one more time. Let's hope this time they will be successful. They'll break this, right? This resistance, right? This is your level 1 resistance. This is your level 2 resistance. This is like level 3 resistance, right? Just visualize like all these are like our villains now. Because we want to go long, we want to make money with our bull puts. This is our villain number one, villain number two, villain. So this is like our hero. He's trying to go hit the villain. Villain is hitting him. So next time again he's going with more energy. Right? Just like we watch in all Telugu Hindi movies, right? First time hero will get beaten by the villain. Then second time again he will go and this time he will hit the villain and go up. Same way price also. First time it tried to go hit it, came down. Second time again it is trying. This time it will go with more buy orders, more buyers. So this time there is a high possibility to break and go to the next villain. You have to wait until candle close, right? Sometimes you may see a strong sell, but still there is a 3 minutes for the candle to close. Within that 3 minutes, again, if price starts going up, this label may disappear. You should not see that, oh, I got a strong sell, let me to go and take it. Only after the candle, right? The entire 5 minutes candle is over, then you see a strong sell. That means that is a confirmed sell. Until that time, this can keep moving up and down, or it can keep changing. Suddenly, buyers come in the last 2 minutes. Again, if candle goes up, this label will disappear. So we made profits with ES 2 times. We are holding our our Monday and also Costco bull puts. We are holding our NDX bull puts. We are waiting to take the SPX bull puts in some time. Maybe next 5-10 minutes we'll take SPX bull puts. As I mentioned, because it's already at a bottom, so it is better, right? And also it already completed a double bottom. Don't take short anymore. We'll only wait for the long signals, right? Once we get the confirmation, we'll go long. In DX, everything will move into profits. Just we have to wait with patience. In DX, and then Monday.com, Costco. So trying to go up. Let's show this thing. So maybe like today, last 1 hour, there might be a huge bullish run. There's a lot of consolidation happening. So if buyers take the control, there can be a nice bull run. Just like 2 days before, we had a huge bull run in last 1 hour. So that there are more and more buyers are accumulating now. Your NDX is making huge move now. SPX also you can do 60, 60, 60, 50 bull put. Collect $110. And finally buyers took the full control. So now we can go to ES and take long one more time. I took a long position on ES. You can also go and do a bull put on 60, 80, 60, 85 for ES. ES futures also you can do 60, 85, 60, 75. your bull puts are making. So made another $100 with ES long. So as I mentioned at same time, we can make with SPX, NDX, ES, SPY, QQQ, right? You can also enter SPY and QQQ now. SPY, yeah, you can sell 608 call, buy 609 call. And sell 535. Yeah, I think 60, 60, 60, 50. Yeah, that is $110 premium. Monday is also moving huge now. So you got a reversal buy, T3 buy, strong buy. So now all your friends are telling go long, right? You have a nice gap between both. So we can make huge profits with SPX and DX bull puts. Right now it can go all the way to 61.29. You can go take long one more time.